is Monday and we are off together. So today we decided to
decorate the house.
Yeah, decorate the house finally with the Christmas decors.
Yeah.
We're gonna get rid of our fall decoration. So we're gonna take this out, put it away. Yeah, so na-prepare na namin guys yung mga i-decorate namin. Ipakita ko sa inyo guys. Andito na sa baba. Binaba na namin ni Mr. galing sa room ng mga pusa. So, ayan. Para ma-decorate na natin. Kasi, December 2nd na dito. It's December 2nd, right? Hindi pa rin kami nakapag-decorate ng ng tree namin at naka-set up ng tree namin at decorate ng bahay, ng apartment. So, umpisahan na natin. Samahan nyo kami, guys. By the way, ang oras pala dito is 12:20 na. Mga 9 AM na kami nakagising ni Habi. Tapos nag-almusal lang kami. And then, ayan, magre-ready tayo ng pag-decorate ng ating set up ng ating Christmas tree. Yung ano lang pala guys, hindi yung live tree, fake tree lang yung ano namin. Yung last year din, same pa rin yung gagamitin namin kasi bumili kami last year ng tree and then this year ganun pa rin yung gagamitin namin. Kasi para ano lang naman eh, hindi na nga abot ng 1 month kasi it's already December 2nd. So, ayan na, dito si Marley. Wala lahat ang mga isasabit namin sa tree namin. Last year pa yan siya, pero okay pa naman. And then ito, mag-mix colors lang siguro kami. Parang ano ba to? Ganitong kulay. Parang gold at saka parang ano siya, maroon. Ba yan? Anong kulay ito? And then ito yung mga Christmas lights. And then ito yung tree namin. And then si Easy, andyan sa box niya. Yan yung tree. Sige na, i-set up na natin. Isasabit ko na rin pala to. Palitan natin ang ating curtain ng binili ko. Kung nakapanood kayo ng last vlog ko, nag-haul ako ng Temo. So, ito na, palitan natin yung curtain natin dyan. Kasi fall yan na kulay eh. So, ito yung papalit natin, yung Christmas. And then, ilagay din natin to yung skirt na to mamaya sa ating Christmas tree pag na-set up na namin. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. So, change our take up this pumpkin guys.
Yeah, bye bye pumpkins.
Put them away. We got also some ornaments like our initials C and R.
Yeah.
We got it from Target. And then this one we got it from Goodwill. Keep this. Let's take this out too.
Bye bye pumpkin guys.
We have some gingerbread. Are this gingerbread?
It's a bakery. It's kind of bakery.
Figure. That's like a gingerbread house. And then we're gonna put this away later. We're gonna display this too.
We got a gold deal and a silver deal.
And what is that? Christmas man?
Gold and silver nutcrackers.
And then what else do we have here for fall?
The gnome guy.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
That's for Christmas.
No, yeah.
I mean fall. That was a kit.
Oh, follies.
Oh, this one.
Mm.
Gotta keep this too.
Yeah. Wanna put it inside you?
Gonna keep this flower too. Yeah, you can put it in there.
Bye, flower.
Yeah. He finally did a great job.
I always do a good job. Yes, without falling. Let's do it. Bye. Okay. It's a little bit anorexic. Right, go. Yeah. We got Merry Christmas.
Yeah, you can put it
Put it
where
up
you
here.
want to put it.
Put it on, y'all.
Ooh, Santa.
Oh, Christmas tree, you stand in splendid beauty. Oh, Christmas tree, you stand in splendid beauty. Your branches green in summer's glow, and evergreen in winter snow. Oh, Christmas
Gutom kami
tree.
guys. Kakatapos lang namin mag-set up.
Pizza time.
Cheers.
Morning, Sylvia, begging.
Ano? Hawaiian ha. Leftover pizza namin kagabi. Bumili kami sa Pinocchio Pizza ng Hawaiian. Pakita ko sa inyo guys yung tree natin. Yung ating cortina guys. Yan. Tapos na.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. La Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Itabi na natin tong wala na, fall na to, itatago na natin. And then yan yung ganyan din. And then yung ganito. And then this one, can we keep her?
I think we got all.
Like this guy.
We got all
Can we
him too.
keep that guy?
We got all him too.
Okay. Alright, that's it for today's vlog, guys. What can you say, Mela?
We did a good job.
Uh,
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you in the next video. And give us a like.
Thank you, guys. See you in our next vlog. Bye.
Christmas.